exploration of Mars. The idea of sending humans to Mars has been the subject of aerospace engineering and scientific studies since the late 1940s as part of the broader exploration of Mars. Some have also considered exploring the Martian moons of Phobos and Deimos. Long-term proposals have included sending settlers and terraforming the planet. Proposals for human missions to Mars came from e.g. NASA, Russia, Boeing, and SpaceX. As of 2023, only robotic landers and rovers have been on Mars. The farthest humans have been beyond Earth is the Moon, freed from scientific expeditions, in which a small group between 2 and 8 astronauts would visit Mars for a period of a few weeks or more, to a continuous presence. Audi Active Sphere Concept. As the fourth model in the series, the Audi Active Sphere Concept marks the culmination of sphere concept vehicles brought forth by the brand with the 4 rings. Following on from the Audi Skysphere Roadster in 2021, and both the Audi Grand Sphere Sedan and the Audi Urban Sphere Space Concept in April 2022, a 4-door crossover coupe with an astonishingly versatile body design is now making its debut. Standing 4.98 meters long, the highly elegant car is more than a mere luxury class sports car. Raytheon Intelligence Space's high-energy laser systems use photons, or particles of light, to carry out military missions and civil defense. This directed energy technology enables detection of threats, tracking during maneuvers, and positive visual identification to defeat a wide range of threats, including unmanned aerial systems, rockets, artillery, and mortars. The Directed Energy Weapon System, part of the U.S. Army's Directed Energy Maneuver Short Range Air Defense, or DEM SHORAD, acquires, tracks, targets and defeats mortars and large drones in complex swarming scenarios. High-energy laser weapon. Hangzhou International Sports Center. Zaha Hadid Architects has won the competition to design the Hangzhou International Sports Center. The scheme incorporates a 60,000-seat football stadium, a 19,000-seat indoor sports arena, and an aquatic center with 2 50-meter pools. There are also recreational and leisure facilities, in addition to parks and plazas where events can be held. A layered podium connects the indoor arena and aquatic center to the stadium and contains training and fitness halls, locker rooms, offices, shops, restaurants, and cafes. Annual solar irradiation analysis has determined the composition of the stadium's facade, which features terraces. Photovoltaic panel, letting its design team stretch out on some fun and futuristic projects through its SAIC design studio. This one caught our eye: the RYZR, an open-air 4-wheel EV focused on making drivers feel very much a part of the environment. The RYZR has 2 narrow hubless wheels at the front, with curved profile tires similar to what you'd see on a motorcycle. At the back, there's 2 much fatter wheels placed almost side by side. As the tire profile suggests, this thing's designed to lean into corners like a motorcycle, and that always bumps up the fun factor. The steering apparatus has no mechanical connection to the wheels, it's all electronic. And it's mounted on an arm extending from the middle of the car that can be swiveled to future where people live and work in space to benefit Earth. Blue Origin's motto, Graded in Ferociter, or Step by Step, ferociously in Latin, reflects the company's strategy to develop incrementally. The company started with about a dozen employees in 2000 and now has a headcount of about 3,500. In 2015, Blue Origin made history by successfully launching and landing a reusable rocket for the first time. The company is currently developing a lunar lander called Blue Moon that will make robotic cargo deliveries to the lunar surface, and it is partnering with SpaceX and Dynetics to develop a human-rated moon lander that will carry astronauts to the lunar surface in 2024 under NASA's Artemis program. And cargo modes, which feature wheelbase sizes of 650 millimeters and 1,000 millimeters, respectively. The electric transportation solution can be expanded and contracted as required, with the cargo mode revealing ample area in the front for storing purchases or deliveries. The conceptual Redis electric folding cargo bike offers up to 172 liters of storage space to make it well suited for delivery personnel, while also being great for use on off hours to move gear. SpaceX Starship. SpaceX's Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket, collectively referred to as Starship, represent a fully reusable transportation system designed to carry both crew and cargo to Earth or development. Starship creates possibilities for new missions, including space telescopes even larger than the James Webb Starship will enter Mars' atmosphere at 7.5 kilometers per second and decelerate aerodynamically. The vehicle's heat shield is designed to withstand multiple entries. ASCA A5 flying car. ASKA is developing a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing VTOL and short takeoff and landing STOL passenger aircraft that will work both as an aircraft and ground car or a dry-fly vehicle. The company said it's the first viable eVTOL vehicle that can both drive on the road and fly autonomously in the sky, mounted on foldable canard wings. The large rear wing is optimized for gliding, smooth landings, and efficient energy consumption, while each tilt rotor is used for vehicle control. The aircraft has large windows providing excellent views for the passengers. 2 rear vertical stabilizers are used for additional aerodynamic control. ASAP hybrid helicopter concept. The ASAP hybrid helicopter is at first glance just a helicopter. It comes with room for 5 people, pilots included, and a 3-bladed main propeller up top that help it take off and land vertically, but also fly forward, gives the helicopter a top speed, jacks and storage, and all those inside benefit from climate control and Bluetooth connectivity. Luggage can be stored behind the cabin in a special compartment capable of holding 0.7 cubic meter, almost 25 cubic feet of cargo.